Since you're probably already using Google anyway, why not get paid for it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an extra $1,440 per day working from home using Google Trends. You won't have to do any selling, affiliate marketing, or product creation. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. Are you looking for a way to make some extra money? If so, you may want to consider using Google Trends. With this program, you can earn $20 for every 10 minutes that you spend online. That means that you could potentially earn $1,440 per day. And the best part is, there's no need to invest any money up front. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, then stick around and I'll show you how it's done. But before we go any further, make sure you hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so that you won't miss a single video. Also, be sure to watch our other videos. The first step is to type Google Trends in the Google search bar. Once you click on the first result, it will take you to the official website of Google Trends. The website will show you the latest trends from around the world. This includes topics that are relevant right now, events that are happening currently, and keywords that people are searching for. Now, I'm going to show you how you can get paid for this. You need to get to this part where it says recently trending. These are the things that are currently popular right now throughout the world. To make money, you have to find a topic that people are searching for. Any of these topics are being searched for currently, so choose one topic and look for a reliable source to promote. What you want to do is search for anything. Pick one of them, and then click on a topic to see different articles regarding that topic. Let us choose BTS as our topic because they are now trending and have a CNBC topic about them. By clicking on this, it will take you to a website with news about BTS. And since CNBC is such a large and popular company, you can make a lot of money by promoting their articles. But before you do, you need to read it first to see if it's interesting and worth people's time. That way, you can make money while still providing valuable content for others to read. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Now open a Google Doc by going to docs.google.com and save this article's link so you don't lose it. Now, the website that will pay you to use this is called exe.io. Here are the steps that you need to follow. Step 1. Go to exe.io and sign up. Signing up for this website is easy. Just scroll to the top of the screen, click sign up in the top right corner, and fill out the username, email, password, and confirm password. Then agree to the terms of service and click register. That's all you have to do. Step 2. Enter the URL you want shortened. After signing up, you need to click the Create a Link button on the top left corner of the exe.io website. Remember the link we saved in the Google Doc? We're going to go back there and copy it again so we can paste it here on exe.io. Step 3. Copy the short link and share it with your friends on social media or in any other way you like. The best part of this site is that you have a high payout rate and low minimum payout. All you need is $3 cash out. You can also refer people to this website for a 15% referral bonus. This website will pay you money for shortened links that you promote elsewhere. When somebody clicks on your link, they will be redirected to a different website where they will see some ads. After viewing the ads, they will then be taken to the article you are promoting. This is how the website and you make the money. After creating your promotional link through exe.io, copy it and save it again into a safe document so you don't lose it. For the person clicking on your promotional link, if they paste it into the search bar, a countdown will appear at the top of the website. After the countdown ends, they just need to click Generate Link and continue, and they'll be redirected to the BTS article. By that point, you should have already made some money. When they click on your link, they don't have to read the article if they don't want to, but you'll still earn money from the ads. Hey, here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel. Now, let's go back to the video. Now that you have your shortened link, it is ready to go. You will go to the website called Linkvertise. Here, you will create an account and pay for the clicks that you receive. This way, you are getting paid for every single click that you receive. You can get paid through ACH for US-based customers, wire transfer for almost everywhere else, and PayPal or e-check for worldwide customers. So no matter where you live, they've got you covered. Scroll back up to the top of the page and click on the register button in the top right corner. You will need a username, email address, password, and to accept the terms of service. Finally, click I'm not a robot and register for your account. After you register for this website, all you need to do is click on the Create a Link button at the top. You'll get your shortened link and then you can post it here. Once you create an account on this website, you'll be able to use your shortened link and post here on Linkvertise. You just have to follow the process that you'll find here and it will eventually make your link live online. After you're finished, they'll give you a shareable link to your profile so that other people can see your content. Linkvertise is also a search engine. So when people are browsing through their website, they're going to see your article, and if they want to click to read the article, they're going to click on it. And every time they click on it, you're going to earn money. First from exe.io and second on Linkvertise. That's basically how easy you can make $20 for every 10 minutes or even $1,440 a day passively. Now let's summarize everything we learned in this video today. The first thing you need to do is go to Google Trends and search for a trending topic. Once you find one, click on any reliable article about it. Copy the link and then head over to exe.io in order to shorten your chosen link. After you've shortened your link, go over to linkvertise.com and create an ad as we just did. Overall, Google Trends is a great way to make some extra cash quickly and easily. There are a variety of different ways to make money, so there's something for everyone. So, give it a go today and start earning some additional cash. I hope you're learning a lot. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. To create is effort. To copy is genius. Albert Einstein. If you want to expand your income by building an online income, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.